The rage I feel now is debilitating. Maybe it's my dying spirit grasping for the last remnants of humanity within me. Or maybe I'm just hiding from fear. The mistakes I've made have eaten me alive, that much I know. My injuries, a mark of my body torn apart. My confusion, a mark of my mind defiled in my heartlessness, a mark of my soul tainted. When we first began the Babylon Project, Dr. Spencer told me something I should have never forgotten. Knowledge betrays man's ego.